Hello, girls and boys of Rockland, at Memorial Park, Jefferson, Eston. So good to see you. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. I love math, so let's get going. We have been adding tens to numbers, just like second graders. You guys are awesome. So here we go. This is what we did recently, right? We had started with 18. And we were adding 10, and we noticed we added 10 and we got 28, and then added 10 and got 38, 48, 58, 68, 78. Every time we added 10, every time the tens digit went up by 1, and the ones digit stayed the same, right? Ones digit is 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and the tens digit goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you guys have probably seen, let me move this over here, a hundreds chart before, right? So let's see what happens on a hundreds chart if we do the same thing. So I'm going to highlight the number 18. And if I add 10, let's see where we end up. So I'm at 18, so let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. We're at 28, just like we were here. We had 28. Okay, let's keep going. Let's try the next one. Let's add 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 38, just like we were over here. 38. Now you might be noticing a pattern already, which is, so let's add 10 more and see what we get. Now you might notice a pattern here, as I was saying, which is it keeps going to the number right below it. So where do you think, if we add 10 to 38, where do you think we'll land? Pause the video if you need to. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you said right below it, you were correct, because we are just like when we were doing it with our base 10 pieces. When we add 10 to 38, we add one more 10 to get the four tens, and the ones stay the same. Okay? So what if we added 10 more? I bet we end up at 58. 10 more is 68. Count with me, 78, 88, 98. Okay, so awesome job. Let's see if it works over here with 13. So if I add, here, let's do it in green this time. If I add 13 plus 10, I should get 23. 10 more will get me 33, and then 43, 53, count with me, 63, 73, 83. What's the next one? That's right, 93. Okay? All right, so let's go back, because we weren't just adding 10, we were also adding multiples of 10, so things like 20, 30, 40, 50. So we did a problem before that was 23 plus 20. And we saw that the answer was 43. So 23 plus 20, we've got 2 tens plus 2 tens gives us 4 tens. And then there's only 3 ones plus 0 ones gives us 3 ones. So let's see what it looks like on the hundreds chart. So let's say we're at 23. We're going to add 20. So we're going to go 10, which we know is going to get us to 33. Let's add 10 more. That gets us to 43. So 23 plus 10 more gives us 43. And that is exactly what we got over here. We got 43. How about this one? We did 57 plus 30 is the same as 87. Okay, so we had 57, 5 tens. We added 3 more tens to get 8 tens. And we still had 7 ones plus 0 ones gives us 7 ones. So 87. let's try it on our hundreds chart. So let's go to 57. I'll use orange, which is my favorite color. So 57, let's add 30. So we'll go up by tens. We'll go 10, excuse me, 10, 20, 30. And yes, we landed on 87. So 57 plus 10 more is 67, plus 10 more is 77, plus 10 more is 87. So 57, 10, 20, 30 is 87. All right, we did one more. We had 32 plus 50. Let's see. If we go to, how about we do light blue this time? 32, we're going to add 50. So we're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We landed on 82. Let's see where we were over here. Yes, we got 82 here as well. Because the ones didn't change, right? But the tens did. Just like here, our tens are going up from 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8. But our ones digits are staying at 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, just like we did with the base 10 pieces. Awesome. Let's try a couple more just to see if it really works. All right, so let me think of a number. How about the number, I'll go to orange again. How about the number 35? And we'll add, should we do 60? Is that too much? No, it's not too much. We can do it, right? Let's add 60. Where do you think we're going to land if we add 60 to 35? That's 6 tens, 60. So think about it. You can pause the video if you want, boys and girls. Remember that? So pause the video. Okay, when you're ready, come back. Okay, here we go. We're at 35. Let's add 60. We're going to add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We almost went off the hundreds chart. Oh my goodness. We landed on 95. Look at that. We went 10 to 45, 20 to 55, 30 to 65, 40 to 75, 50 to 85, and then 60 landed us on 95. Very interesting that, again, the ones digits are not changing, but all the tens are. Okay, boys and girls, excellent job. Okay, I know this is a lot of new stuff, but you're doing a great job. I'm very proud of you. You can practice this, okay, if you have a hundreds chart or if you want to draw some of your base 10 pieces or cut them out, and you can practice. Practice adding tens, practice adding ones, and you'll be doing a great job getting ready for second grade. All right, remember, be safe, be kind. I know you miss your friends and teachers, but hopefully you'll get to see them as soon as you can. And get outside when you can because it's very nice out. All right, take care. Bye-bye. Talk to you soon.